Alright, this is the question of creating a maze, and the camera itself is the player. So let's get started. First of all, we'll delete the default cube. I'm going to zoom in a bit. I'm going to add a plane, and I am going to make it about 10 times bigger. So I'm going to do S10. Whoops, try that again. S10, W, subdivide, and then I'm just going to go over here and do the number of cuts on the T menu as 10 as well. Okay, now I'm going to make this a very simple maze, but the parts that I'm going to select, and by the way, I am in face mode, so let's go out of here so you can see. So that's vertice mode and edge select, and now I want to go to face mode so I get these. Okay, so I am going to select just the walls and create kind of a U pattern. He's going to go in here and come out here. Your maze should be a little bit fancier than this, but for demonstrations, here we go. Alright, so I'm going to use the C key, and by that then I can just I'm going to make a larger wall back there. Okay, and then so these are the walls, and the gray area will be where he travels. And so actually let's do, alright, so again you can make yours. So this gray area is where he's going to go in, travel around, and come out again. I want yours to be fancier and more complex than that, but just to demonstrate. Alright, so how do I make the walls? Alright, so there we now hit E and pull this up, and that will be the maze. Okay, so he gets to travel on this area there. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the camera up. So I'm going to tab back into object mode. I'm going to select the camera and go 7 on the number pad so I can see, and I'm going to move the camera and RZ, face it inward, and just try, or go back to 0. That kind of, now we need a texture, some colors, something on the walls here to be able to see better. So for right now we will just go with a simple color, and we'll talk about the coloring afterwards. So let's take this, and I'm just going to make it green for right now. Okay, and the lamp, we will just maybe make it a little bit, and I'm going to go take off specular. See what that looks like now if we go to the game engine, so you get some idea of where the walls are. Okay, now the camera, select the camera, and we are going to go to the logic panel. Okay, logic editor, and I'm just going to start by moving it forward. So I'm going to go keyboard and the up arrow, and right now the up arrow is going to move it in the Y direction. So we're going to go here to motion, and in the Y direction we'll go like, actually it's going to be, yeah, positive. Okay, select these two up. Okay, hit the P key, and it is not going in the right direction. Let's hit the, try that one there, P. There you go. Alright, so I haven't been able to turn it yet, but that far is where we're going to stop for part 1.